Hi there, it's Mr. Cole here.
And Mr. Rops.
And we're going to be solving an absolute value equation. So, using the graphical display calculator, I'm going to solve the absolute value of 3x minus 7 equals 65 using these window settings again. So this is going to be, we're going to use the window on the calculator. Alright, so can I just put this in my calculator, Mr. Rops?
Not the way it is. I have to break it up into two parts. I need to make one of it y1.
Okay.
And the other side, I'm going to do y2. This is, I'm going to use the intersection method.
Okay, right. So if I grab my calculator and I go y1. Alright, so this I'm going to make the absolute value of 3x minus 7. There's a nice trick here. If I go alpha zoom, is that the right one?
Alpha window.
Alpha window.
Yep, you can just go over to window, yep.
Go to window. Okay, it gives me absolute value. And that's the same as these two vertical lines.
Right, ABS.
So, absolute value.
Right.
3x minus 7. There we are. Click to the right to come out of there.
Okay.
And let's go down.
The other one should be
okay,
65.
Next one, 65.
Okay, super.
Right, so the question tells me I need to set up my window first. Alright, so we're going to go from negative 30 up to 40. What should we make the scale, Mr. Rops?
Let's do 10.
10? Alright, and y min minus 10, y max... Oh, right up to 100.
Oh, you missed. That's a Y
scale.
scale.
I missed one. Okay, good spot. 100. Yep, and Y scale, let's do 10 again.
Sounds good.
All right. Have a look at it.
Let's see. Ooh.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
So notice how the absolute value means it stays positive. That's why we get this V shape.
All right.
All right, so we've got... First of all, what do we need to do?
We need to make a picture of what we have there.
Okay, so let's just... Whoa, that's not very straight. Let's do that one again. Okay, line, much better idea.
There we go.
Okay, so line there, and then our absolute value. Can I get a different color? Let's try that. Alright, so it goes down and it's slightly positive, yeah?
Right, yep.
So we're going to go down here and then up like this.
Yep.
And our other one is just a straight line.
Right.
So let's use that one.
Okay, nice. Red line there.
Okay.
Okay. And so we should probably put our window settings kind of thing on the graph so the reader has a sense of how big these values are. So maybe let's put from negative 30 to 40 for the x. And then the 100 and the negative 10.
So let's put negative 10 here.
Right.
Up to 100.
Right. And so now we get a sense of how the graph is scaled. If we're going to do the intersection now, what do we do for that?
Okay, let's just, actually, I probably should label this up first, maybe.
Oh,
so this
call.
is y equals 65, yep.
Yep.
And this one is y equals the absolute value of 3x minus 7.
Super, looks good.
Okay, so intersect, we're trying to find the values here, right?
There's two answers.
So, use our calculate menu.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go, we're finding the intersects. No, I'm going to press 5.
If that's, yeah.
Okay, so first curve, absolute value of 3x minus 7, enter.
Good.
Second curve, y2 equals 65, sounds good to me. Now this is where the guess is important. If I guess near over here, I'm going to get this intersect, and if I guess over here, I'm going to get the other intersect. So
we know we went up by tens, so the one on the right,
10?
or the one on the left will be maybe negative 20.
Let's put that as our guess.
It's close enough. It just has to be in the right ballpark.
There we are. That was very close actually.
Negative 19.33.
So do you want us to label the coordinate? Or just write down the
I
solutions?
think we can write down the solution.
Okay, so one solution is when x equals negative 19 point, can you remember what it was?
3, 3, 3.
3, 3, 3, or negative 19.3, if we're doing three significant figures.
Right, nice.
Okay, and our second solution, we haven't worked out yet. Here we go. Second, calculate.
Number 5.
Number 5. Enter, enter. Looking at the top to make sure I'm getting the right two lines. And let's guess 30.
Okay, sounds good.
24. My guessing wasn't as good as yours.
But it's close enough to put us in the right neighborhood.
Okay, so 24.
All right, super.
Done.